Hi friends! Today, we're going on a trip to the farm. Look at all the animals we're going to meet today. These are some of the animals we can find on a farm. Cow. Cows are big animals with long faces, big eyes, and big ears. They have a soft, gentle look and are very friendly. Cows love to eat grass. They spend most of their day eating and chewing, which helps them keep their strong teeth healthy. Farmers can help cows give their milk by milking them. The milk is then used to make delicious things like cheese, yogurt, and ice cream. Cows also love to sleep and rest. They can sleep lying down or standing up, and they love to take a nap in the sun. Sometimes cows have babies, and they're called calves. Cows are very good mothers, and they take care of their babies by giving them milk and protecting them. Pig. Pigs are very cute animals with round faces, short legs, and a big nose. They love to play in the mud, and they're very curious animals. Pigs love to eat. They will eat just about anything, but their favorite foods are yummy things like fruits, vegetables, and grains. Pigs also love to be comfortable. They love to snuggle up with a soft blanket or take a nap in the sun. Sometimes pigs have babies, and they're called piglets. Pigs are very good mothers, and they take care of their babies by keeping them safe and feeding them. Pigs are important animals on the farm, and they play a big role in our lives by giving us meat and leather. They're cute, playful, and lots of fun to be around. Chicken. Chickens are birds with a round head and beak. They have soft, colorful feathers, and they love to peck at the ground. They come in different sizes, with some breeds being larger than others. Chickens love to eat. They will eat just about anything, but their favorite foods are seeds, bugs, and other small creatures they can find in the dirt. Chickens also lay eggs. They lay one egg every day, which is usually brown or white. We can use the eggs to make delicious things like omelets and cookies. Sometimes chickens have babies, and they're called chicks. Chickens are very good mothers, and they take care of their babies by keeping them warm and feeding them. Chickens are important animals on the farm, and they play a big role in our lives by giving us eggs and meat. They're cute, fun, and easy to take care of. Horse. Horses are beautiful animals with big eyes, long faces, and long manes. They have soft fur that can be many different colors like brown, black, or white. Horses are very fast. They can run very fast, and that's why people like to ride them. They're also strong, and they can carry heavy loads. People like to ride horses because it's fun, and it's a great way to spend time outside. Riders sit on the horse's back and hold onto the reins to steer the horse. Horses love to eat. They like to eat grass and hay, but they also need special food like oats and hay. They drink a lot of water, too, to stay healthy and strong. Horses are wonderful animals that are part of many people's lives. They're smart, beautiful, and strong. They're also fun to ride and take care of. Goat. Goats are funny and curious animals with pointy ears and a beard. They come in many different colors like black, white, and brown. They're known for their playful and mischievous personalities. Goats are great eaters. They'll eat just about anything, but their favorite foods are leaves, grass, and bushes. They're known for being very good at climbing and jumping, so they can get to the tastiest parts of the plants. Goats have babies, too. The baby goats are called kids. They're born with a lot of energy, and they love to play and run around. People also like to keep goats for their milk. Goats produce a lot of milk, and it's delicious and healthy to drink. People also make things like cheese and yogurt from goat milk. Goats are important animals on the farm, and they play a big role in our lives. They're curious, playful, and helpful. They're also fun to take care of and watch. Sheep. Sheep are cute and fluffy animals with curly hair and big eyes. They come in many different colors like white, black, and gray. They're known for being gentle and peaceful animals. Sheep love to eat. They like to eat grass and hay, and they can also eat weeds and leaves. They have special teeth that help them chew tough plants, so they can get all the nutrition they need. Sheep have babies, too. The baby sheep are called lambs. They're born with soft, fluffy wool, and they're so cute. They love to play and run around with each other. People also like to keep sheep for their wool. Sheep grow a lot of wool, and people use it to make warm clothing like sweaters, hats, and gloves. People also use sheep wool to make blankets and rugs. Sheep are important animals on the farm, and they play a big role in our lives. They're gentle, peaceful, and helpful. They're also fun to take care of and watch. Rabbits. Rabbits are cute and fluffy animals with big ears and soft fur. They come in many different colors like white, black, and brown. They're known for being fast and agile. Rabbits love to eat. They like to eat carrots, lettuce, and other veggies. They also like to munch on grass and hay. They have strong teeth that help them chew tough plants, so they can get all the nutrition they need. Rabbits have babies, too. The baby rabbits are called kids. They're born with soft, fluffy fur, and they're so cute. They love to play and run around with each other. People also like to keep rabbits as pets. They're fun to take care of and play with. They have a quiet and gentle personality, and they're great at keeping themselves clean. Rabbits are important animals, and they play a big role in our lives. They're cute, fast, and fun. They're also great pets to have. Duck. Ducks are birds with shiny feathers and a round body. They have a big, flat bill and webbed feet that help them swim. They come in many different colors like white, gray, and black. Ducks love to eat. They like to eat bugs, snails, and other small creatures. They also like to eat seeds and plants. They have strong bills that help them find food in the water. Ducks have babies too. The baby ducks are called ducklings. They're born with soft, fluffy feathers, and they're so cute. They love to follow their mom everywhere and swim in the pond. Ducks love to swim. They have webbed feet that help them paddle through the water. They use their bills to find food, and they can even dive under the water to get it. They're excellent swimmers and great divers. Did you know that ducks are also helpful to people? People eat their eggs and use their feathers for warm clothing and bedding. Ducks also help control the population of insects and other pests in the water. Turkey. Turkeys Turkeys are big birds with colorful feathers. They have a big, red head and a long, thick neck. They have big, strong legs and 2 big toes on each foot. They can run fast, and they're excellent flyers. Turkeys love to eat. They eat seeds, berries, and insects. They also love to eat acorns, which are a type of nut that grows on oak trees. They have strong beaks that help them pick food from the ground. Turkeys have babies, too. The baby turkeys are called poults. They're born with soft, downy feathers, and they're so cute. They follow their mom everywhere and learn how to find food and stay safe. Turkeys are native to North America, and they live in fields, forests, and meadows. They love to roost in trees at night and eat during the day. They're very social birds, and they love to be with other turkeys. Did you know that turkeys are also helpful to people? People love to eat turkey meat because it's delicious and healthy. Turkey is a great source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. It's a popular food during special occasions like Thanksgiving and Christmas. Turkeys are fascinating birds, and they play an important role in our environment. They're colorful, strong, and excellent flyers. They're also a delicious and healthy food for people. So, next time you see a turkey, remember all the cool things about them. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.